Go.
Hey Bryce, how much base did you have to add for the pH to change?
You know, Hayden, that's an excellent question. And we actually saw a change right off the bat. As you can see with this first and second cup here, you got a very red liquid in this first one. And in the second one, it is much more purple. So it only took 1 tablespoon of base to begin that pH change.
Perfect. Interesting. What was the pH before equivalence, at equivalence, and after equivalence?
Well, we approximated, because of the red characteristic of this cup, that it had to be between 1 and 5, but it could be darker red. So we went ahead and chose 3. We think it's probably right around 3 pH, which is pretty acidic.
Yeah.
And what was the rest of that question?
Before equivalence, at equivalence, and after equivalence.
So here we have what we have determined to be our equivalence cup. It's bluish purpley, right? So it's probably right around, it's got to be right around 7 because it's weak acid, weak base. So whichever one's a little stronger, which I think the acid's a little stronger, it'll be a little bit below 7 because of the acid, but it's going to be really close to 7 because they're both weak.
After equivalence.
And after equivalence, are you asking about excess?
No,
Or pH?
The pH.
pH now we're past equivalence. So this pH is now above 7. And it's a more blue color. It's getting more blue heading towards green. And yeah, as you keep going, the pH is going to get higher and higher. So that's probably, you know, up there.
Okay. Can you explain what is an excess at each point of the titration and why you see the color changes?
I absolutely can. So, on this side of the equivalence point, there's this acid, right? Because it is more red and purple. And so, obviously, all the acid has not been used up, so the color change has not happened yet, right? Then at equivalence, the excess is probably acidic for this experiment, but it should be, yeah, it's probably acidic. But it should be right around equal, right? And then past the equivalence point, there's excess base, which is why it is now this blue and greenish color.
Oh, method.
And that concludes part B.
Hey.